which I think you drafted very well, by the way.
Thank you.
Even though, as I say, it's not a lot of legal language, the point that you make really sort of comes through pretty clearly. CS's concerns are basically based on suspicion and speculation. If you poke the tiger enough time, it's going to turn around and see what's going on. And that's really what the CAS is doing here. When you take a look at the application that they've got, the application is not showing that there has been any harm or any actual child protection concerns per se. This is a fishing expedition. They're poking around, and by the material, it doesn't appear that they found anything of any genuine concern. I suspect from what I'm reading here is that they were sort of, you're not cooperating. We're going to flex our muscle and show you. You don't seem to be one to back down, so I'm guessing I'm going to know right now exactly I think what your position is going to be. And I think your position is going to be don't back down. I'll put it this way, if you wanted to go motion for summary judgment, I wouldn't represent you on that.
Okay.
I worked very hard in this county for a lot of years. I've got a very good relationship with the bench. So now it's almost like a little game of chicken. See who blinks first. Hi there.
Hi.
So, at this juncture, we have got them right where we want them. They're going to fuck off. If you excuse me. But they're going to fuck off. Because they're not, at this juncture, they're not looking for a problem. They're looking to cover their ass. Because they're getting out. Okay. In reading the file, as you and I reviewed it together, I made my position very clear. This is tenuous at best. They sort of stepped into a minefield and now they're stuck.
Yeah.
We don't want them in the minefield. We want them away from us.
Yeah.
And we need to show them the path to the door. You seem to know what you're doing in parenting. You sure as hell don't like authority and you don't like them. I can tell you that just in meeting you. And that's sort of why they're still stuck around you, I think. It's a big part of it. But at this juncture, you chose to hang strong. I think you made the right decision on this one, which is saying, no, I'm holding you to strict proof. And now what happened is suddenly the big roaring lion has no teeth. Okay. So as they're backing away, they're just making sure they've got their ass covered. Is my suspicion. Okay, you are a little oppositional. It's just part of your personality. It's who you are. It makes you strong.
Well, they came to my house, and when you have kids, someone comes to your house and says, let me in or I'm going to take your kids. And then says, I don't even need a warrant to take your kids.
Well, that's exactly where I can see that you would say, screw you, would be your first position.
Like any good parent would say, screw you.
So,
okay. Well, I did do the affidavit, and I swore on all the exhibits. I have all of Matthew's medical reports, the exact for 2012 in there.
Okay.
It's 105 pages long.
105-page affidavit?
Yeah.
Okay, well, I don't have 105 pages in my hand.
Yeah, I got all the medical records, all the recreational receipts.
I mean, I've got all your statements here, the ones that you filed with your answer and plan of care. But the document I'm looking for says in the top corner 14.
14A?
That's an affidavit.
Okay.
And I don't have that document.
This one?
Well, that one looks like it's been well used. Was that filed as part of the continuing record?
That was filed when I did the plan of care and everything else.
So you filed the plan of care and you filed the affidavit along with the plan of care?
Yeah.
Okay. I can take a quick look at it.
I just didn't want to go to court without anything on file.
Yeah. Well, if there's nothing on file and you go to court while you have a lawyer, it's not your problem. It's the lawyer's problem. Okay. Is one of two things. They either withdraw, as you're doing now, or if we say, no, we're not withdrawing on those terms, then the matter, then they come in and instead of finding reasons to get out, they come in and they redouble their efforts to try to find reasons to stay in. They're still looking around. They're kind of watching you like a hawk at that point in time to make sure that any slip up or mistake they can jump on.
If I do sign this and agree to that, nothing's going to change from that. If I don't sign this,
if you don't sign that, they're gonna put you under magnifying glass.
That's fine.
If you're comfortable under magnifying glass, then bring it and do it. I've got no difficulties with this one either way. I think we got to be in their bonnet. I think the two of you clashed early and clashed hard.
Yeah.
And sometimes a little revolution is a good thing.
I'm
I'm intrigued as to see,
Okay,
how that would go. Okay?
okay.
Okay, I think you're a very responsible parent, to be very honest with you. I think you are very oppositional, but that's your prerogative. Nobody says that it's illegal to be oppositional.
If the system wasn't broken, maybe it wouldn't be so oppositional, right?
There you go. We're back in court. I believe the next appearance date is October 1st, so that's not this Friday, but the next Friday. And I look forward to hearing from you the second you decide whether you're going to sign or not. Let me know. So on October 1st, I can be ready instead of standing there going, what?
Okay.
Okay? There's one thing that lawyers say above everything else, a surprise.
Surprise, okay.
Hate surprises. But for October 1st, I want to know whether you signed and
Okay.
whether you didn't sign. And if you didn't sign, why not? And if you did sign, why?
Okay.
That's simple. Okay?
Okay.